Good morning, everyone. Children, are you all ready for the class? Let's start then, children. Today we are going to revise the course that is going to come in the UT2, right? You all must be preparing for your exams that is going to start from 4th of January, right? From the new year, right? So today first we are going to start with the literature revision, okay? Literature revision from the literature portion. So there is one poem and two prose. One by one we are going to revise it. So let me just share the computer screen with you all. So let us then start, okay? So first we have poem Golden Keys, that is there in our exam, that is going to come in our UT2, right? So what we have learned in this poem? We have learned the poem that about the golden rules, the golden keys, or the words that are magical words in which makes magic when we use them. So this poem is dedicated to those magical words like thank you, please, sorry, excuse me, may I. So such words, how it helps us to do the things that it what tells, right? So आपको मैंने पहले जैसा बताया है, आप जानते हैं ऑलरेडी कि आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर कैसा आएगा. इट विल बी एन एमसीक्यू बेस्ड. देयर विल बी 4 ऑप्शंस. ठीक है, 4 ऑप्शंस दिए रहेंगे आपको, अलग अलग एक क्वेश्चन दिया रहेगा एंड देयर विल बी 4 ऑप्शंस फॉर दैट क्वेश्चन, और आपको उसमें से सही ऑप्शन को चूज करके उसको टिक करना है, राइट? सो पोएम में आपको कैसा आ सकता है, यू हैव टू लाइक सम लाइंस ऑफ द पोएम आर गिवन एंड यू हैव टू कंप्लीट द लाइन. सो उसके लिए 4 ऑप्शंस दिए रहेंगे और आपको सही ऑप्शन चूज करना है कि सही आंसर उसमें कहाँ पर दिया हुआ है. लाइक फॉर एन एग्जाम्पल, अ डैश ऑफ गोल्डन कीज इज माइन. सो डैश में यहाँ क्या आपको फिल करना है, अ बंच ऑफ गोल्डन कीज इज माइन, राइट? To make each day with gladness shine. Good morning, that's the golden key that unlocks every day for me. So a dash of golden keys is mine means a bunch of golden keys is mine. Bunch, bunch, bunch. For an example, if the sentence is given a dash of golden keys is mine, and the options are like bunch of golden keys, group of golden keys, rows of golden keys, and none of these. So which is the right option? None of these. Group of keys, or rows of keys, or bunch of golden keys. Bunch of golden keys. So you have to choose the right option. Okay? So to make each day with gladness shine. Good morning, that's the golden key that unlocks every day for me, right? So this is how you have to learn the poem, okay? Now next, what we have learned in this, rhyming words. So what are rhyming words? The word that rhyme the same at the end, they are called rhyming words. Like the rhyming word of day. So ray, clay and say, may, they can be the rhyming words of day. So this is for an example, day का आपको 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हैं और आपको सही ऑप्शन चूज करना है. डे का राइमिंग वर्ड दिया है ड्राई, डिप, say and song. So which is the right option? Dry, dip, say या wrong? So which is the right answer? Say, right? Because day के साथ say, these are rhyming together. Day and say are rhyming together, but day and dry doesn't rhyme together, right? Or day and dip doesn't rhyme together, so that is not a rhyming word. Day, say, that is a rhyming word, right? So next, shine, shine, shine. So shine का rhyming word क्या हो सकता है? Line, nine, pine, gline, right? So such words are the rhyming words of shine, right? But if I say shine का rhyming word क्या sing हो सकता है, shrink हो सकता है, Sunday हो सकता है? No, because they doesn't rhyme. They are not rhyming together, right? So see, all the words like shine, line, nine, pine, they are all rhyming together. Number 3, make, bake, lake, cake. They all are rhyming together. So these are the rhyming words of make, right? And next, number 4, night. Light, sight, right, bright. These are all the rhyming words of night, right? So we have learned these rhyming words. Now next prose that we have learned was a story from the lesson, that is a yummy story. It was about the chocolates, the discovery, how the chocolates were discovered and how it were processed and how it was flavored, and then it comes to our mouth, the process of it, right? So let us first revise the book exercises that we have learned. Okay, so like अगर आपको दिया रहेगा match the names of the people with what they do, right? So Ananya ने क्या किया था? Did not want to share her chocolate. Grandfather told an interesting story. Queen of Spain did not find the cocoa beans interesting. Hernan Cortes added sugarcane juice to the bitter drink, right? So this you have to learn it. Okay, now this one also, this can also come like choose the correct option to complete these sentences. So Anya was shocked that the people of Central America used cocoa beans as money or waste their money or ate the cocoa beans. Which is the right option? Used cocoa beans as money. So this is the right option, right? Anya learned that milk chocolate is made of, मिल्क चॉकलेट आन्या ने लर्न किया कि किसका बना होता है? कोको बीन्स, शुगर केन जूस एंड मिल्क, या फिर कोको बीन्स, शुगर एंड मिल्क, या फिर कोको बीन्स, फ्लेवर्स एंड मिल्क. तो ध्यान देना बेटा, ये अगर आपको क्वेश्चन आया तो इसमें आप, आई एम श्योर, मुझे अगर आपने ध्यान नहीं दिया तो आप कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे कि कोको बीन्स तो इसमें है, मिल्क भी है. तो ध्यान देना है आपको कि कोको बीन्स, शुगर होना चाहिए और मिल्क, 3 इंग्रेडिएंट्स होने चाहिए. दैट इज द राइट ऑप्शन. कोको बीन्स, शुगर एंड मिल्क are used to make milk chocolate, right? Not sugarcane juice or not flavors. ये right नहीं है because sugar is missing in both of them. Only this is the right option, right? Now, Anya wanted to invent a way to make chocolate bars grow on trees, or grow up, give children chocolate every day, or chocolate bars grow as you eat them. This one, chocolate bars grow as you eat them, right? Now, next thing what we have learned in this, we have learned the past form of using, like कैसे हम verbs fill करते हैं. So what do you do every morning before going to school? Fill in the blank. Every day I wake up early. These are in the present tense. हम जो रोज करते हैं, right? This is in present form. The actions or the things that we are doing every day or almost every time. It's a general thing that all comes in present tense. I brush my teeth till they are clean. I drink milk and have or eat my breakfast. I have a bath and wear my uniform. Then I go to the bus stand and wait for the school bus, right? So this is in which tense? It's in present tense. Now अगर हम present tense तो simple हुआ, wake, brush, drink, these are all, these verbs are in present tense. But if I have to say that some action is going on, चल रहा है, so that is called as present continuous tense. तो उसमें हम वे क्या लगा देते हैं? is am are के साथ हम मेन वर्ब में, जैसे wake या brush या drink, इसके साथ हम ing ऐड करते हैं. like I am waking or I am brushing, I am drinking, I am going, I am wearing my uniform, I am waiting for the school bus. means the action is going on. मैं अभी कर रहा हूँ, right? So like see, grandmother is telling a story, Anya is nibbling her chocolate bar, we are reading a story about the chocolates, we are playing in the park. So every action shows that they are in present continuous tense, in present tense, and the action is still going on, right? So आपने इसके बहुत सारे और एक्सरसाइज किए थे. वी डोंट वी आई एम इसके skipping them because वो इतने important नहीं है, but this one is very important. It may come in your exam. Like आपको बताना होगा कि discover ये चीज़, particular ये चीज़ जो दिया हुआ है, whether the sentences they tell us about the inventions or they tell about the discoveries. So I told you the difference between discovery and invention. Discovery means anything which was there before, जो चीज पहले से था और उसको हमने ढूंढा, right? We discovered it, हमने खोजा, so that is called as discovery, right? And what is an invention? Invention means before it was not there, it doesn't exist and we have created something new, हमने कुछ बनाया, so that is called as invention. Like this computer or the mobile that you are having right now in your hand, it is an invention. Before that, mobile or computer did not exist in this world, but then cocoa plant or air or oxygen, everything was existing in the world, but some time ago we were not knowing about them. कुछ समय पहले हम उनके बारे में नहीं जानते थे, तो हमने डिस्कवर किया. जैसे हमें पहले नहीं पता था, बहुत सालों पहले हमें नहीं पता था कि अर्थ इज राउंड एंड शेप, तब हमको लगता था अर्थ फ्लैट है, बट स्लोली वी डिस्कवर्ड दैट द अर्थ इज राउंड एंड शेप, राइट? सो दैट इज अ डिस्कवरी, राइट? नाउ सी हियर, फाइंड अ न्यू प्लैनेट, नया प्लैनेट का खोज करना, तो दैट इज अ डिस्कवरी, डिस्कवर करना हुआ, राइट? क्योंकि वो तो पहले से ही प्लैनेट था लेकिन हमें उसके बारे में नहीं पता, तो दैट इज डिस्कवर. मेक आइसक्रीम फ्रॉम राइस पाउडर, राइस पाउडर से अगर हम आइसक्रीम बना सक रहे हैं तो ये है इन्वेंशन. इससे ये पहले नहीं था इस तरह से बना सकते थे, बट इसे हमने इन्वेंट किया, अ न्यू थिंग वी क्रिएटेड. फाइंड आउट दैट कैटरपिलर्स टर्न्स इनटू बटरफ्लाइज, ये हमने पता किया कि कैटरपिलर ही होते हैं, वो इंसेक्ट होते हैं जो बटरफ्लाई बन जाते हैं, तो दैट इज अ डिस्कवरी, राइट? मेक अ पेंसिल दैट करेक्ट स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक, इन्वेंशन. लर्न दैट सी वाटर इज सॉल्टी, इट्स अ डिस्कवरी. built a robot that does your homework, it's an invention, right? So now children, we are going to do the revision of notebook exercises of our yummy story. So चलो पहले new words हम learn कर लेते हैं. new words आपको कैसे आएंगे? like आपको word दिया रहेगा, उसमें आपको letters कुछ missing रहेंगे. for an example, chocolate, this word is given and the you have to complete the spelling, like ch dash C dash 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 TE. So what you have to write? CHOCOLATE, chocolate. So आप ये कैसे लिख पाएंगे जब आपने ये सारे spellings 10 spellings learn किए होंगे. So this is chocolate. QUIZ, quiz. PICE, peace. BITTER, bitter. POPULAR, popular. EXPLORER, explorer. FLAVOUR, flavor. GUEST, guest. FAVOURITE, favorite. JUICE, juice, right? Now let's do the next exercise. Okay, word meaning. So what is the meaning of yummy? Tasty. Pleased, happy. Puzzled का meaning? Confused. Reduce का meaning? Make something less. Invent meaning to create something for the first time, right? So like आपको yummy दिया रहेगा और उससे related 4 options दिए रहेंगे, 4 अलग अलग meaning दिया रहेगा. Like yummy का meaning दिया हुआ है very nice, eat और टेस्टी और नन ऑफ दीज. तो आपको क्या सही आंसर है इसका, कौन क्या वर्ड मीनिंग है इसका? टेस्टी, राइट? सो दिस इज हाउ यू हैव टू डू इट, ओके, इन योर एग्जाम. नाउ लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज. The next exercise is fill in the blanks. So Anya won a chocolate bar in a class. क्लास क्या बताओ? क्लास क्विज या क्लास कॉन्टेस्ट या क्लास रूम या क्लास वर्क, किस में उसको मिला था? क्लास क्विज में मिला था. डोंट गेट कंफ्यूज. अगर क्लास रूम दिया है या क्लास वर्क दिया है या क्लास टेस्ट दिया है, तो आपको क्या लिखना है? क्लास टेस्ट में उसे मिला था या क्लास वर्क में मिला था? नो, क्लास क्विज में मिला था, राइट? Anya was about to take a dash of chocolate. Anya was about to take a bite of chocolate. Grandfather was Grandfather was pleased when he heard about the prize. People tried mixing different flavors in chocolate drink. People added milk to reduce the bitterness of chocolate, right? Now let's see the question answers that we have done. How did Anya get the chocolate bar? अब आप कहेंगे मैम आप तो ने कहा कि एमसीक्यू बेस्ड क्वेश्चन पेपर रहेगा तो क्वेश्चन आंसर कैसे आएगा? Yes, it will be there. Like question will be there. How did Anya get the chocolate bar? और आपको उसके 4 अलग अलग तरह के आंसर्स दिए रहेंगे और there will be very minute differences in all those 4 answers, but आप तभी कर पाओगे, आप समझ पाओगे कि कौन सा आंसर करेक्ट है जब आपने आंसर को लर्न किया होगा, राइट? जिसने आंसर लर्न नहीं किया होगा तो वो तो गलत ऑप्शन पर टिक कर देगा, तो ध्यान से आपको आंसर लर्न करना है, क्वेश्चन आंसर्स. सो हाउ डिड आन्या गेट द चॉकलेट बार? एंड द करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज आन्या वन द चॉकलेट बार इन अ क्लास quiz, right? Who was the only other person in the house? What was he doing? Grandfather was the only person and he was busy reading his book. Where was the cocoa plant discovered? In the forest of Central America, Africa, Europe, Asia. Kahan? Forest of Central America, right? Now next, where were cocoa beans first used as an item of food? Cocoa beans were first used to make a drink. What did people add to chocolate to make it less bitter? चॉकलेट में क्या ऐड किया था? Just a second. They added milk to the chocolate, right? So now next is true false. Anya won a shield in a class quiz. This is true false. Shield मिला था क्या उसको? नहीं ना, चॉकलेट मिला था. Cocoa tree was discovered in the forest of Africa. अफ्रीका में डिस्कवर हुआ था? नहीं. This is false. Hernan Cortes added sugarcane juice to the bitter drink. Yes, this is true. The Queen of Spain did not find cocoa beans interesting. Even this is also true, right? Now next one is make sentence. ये आपको make sentence आपने किया था. So try to make a sentence with bitter, popular, drink and forest if you get it in your question paper. Okay. Now next one is the shoemaker and the elves. इसको हमने learn किया था, हमने पढ़ा था. It was a very nice story, right? So first let us revise the book exercises, important book exercises. So like for an example, a picture is given, तो आपको बताना है कि वो कौन सी imaginary creature है. Now for an example, this picture is given and the options are given: fairy, giant, witch and goblin. So which is the correct option? Tell me. Witch. This one is dwarf. This one is fairy. This one is giant. This genie and this one is goblin, right? Now next one, add ed or d to make the past tense, past form. So हम root verb में play, wait, paint ये सब root verb है, present tense में है. इनमें हम जब ed या फिर d ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो past tense में change हो जाता है. V2 वो second form में verb बन जाता है, right? जैसे play में हम ed ऐड कर देंगे तो played हो जाएगा. Wait, waited. Paint, painted. Right? Smile. Now see here, smile में last में already e add किया हुआ है. So when there is already e at the end, we will not add e again. We will just add d. हमें last में सिर्फ d add करना होगा. Smiled, lived, moved. Now see, there are some exceptional words where before adding ed you have to double the letter, last letter को double कर देना पड़ता है. जैसे देखो stop में हम last में p को double कर देंगे, double p and then we have to add ed. Stopped. Rub becomes rubbed. Double, the last letter gets double, rubbed and then ed, right? So this is how you have to do it. Okay. Now see this. Join each pair of words to make a new word. This already you know. These are called as compound words. Already I have taught you before, right? If you can remember, like shoe plus maker becomes shoemaker. Sun plus flower becomes sunflower. Out plus side becomes outside. Any plus body becomes anybody. Football, midnight, moonlight, right? Now, see this one. Here are some other workers. Do you know what they are called? So, a person who stitches clothes, they are called as tailor. A person who makes furniture is called carpenter. Person who repairs taps and pipes, plumber. A person who repairs electrical items like fans, so he is called as electrician. A person who repairs car is called as mechanic, right? Now, see this next one. This is like changing one into many. So, how we change one into many when there is F or FE at the end? हम वन को मैनी में कैसे करते, सिंगुलर को प्लूरल में, जब अगर लास्ट में एफ या एफ ई है तो हमको एफ या एफ ई को रिमूव करके हम क्या लगाते हैं लास्ट में, वी एड वी ई एस. सो सेल्फ, शेल्फ विल बिकम सेल्व्स, वुल्फ wolves, knife, knives. Just drop F or FE at the end. Scarf, scarves. Calf, calves. Leaf, leaves. Life, lives. Dwarf, dwarfs. Right? Now, the new words that we have learned in this story, they are leather, B-E-N-C-H, bench, P-A-I-R, pear, B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L, beautiful, C-U-R-T-A-I-N, curtain, E-L-V-E-S, elves, W-I-N-K, wing, C-L-A-P-P-E-D, clapped, M-I-D-N-I-G-H-T, midnight, and S-T-U-C-K, S-T-R-U-C-K, struck, right? So ये सब आपको learn करना है अच्छे से, ठीक है? Don't get overconfident, otherwise you will make mistake, okay? Now, let's see the next exercise, word meaning. Okay, so what is the meaning of elves? The meaning of elves is imaginary being having pointed ears and can do magic. What is the meaning of fine? Tiny or very neat. What is the meaning of back and forth? Moving backward and forward. Quick as a wink means very quickly, right? Now, next one was fill in the blanks. So, in this, the shoemaker and his wife were very rich or poor. Which is the right option? Tell me. Were they rich? No, they were poor. They became rich later on when the shoes made by the elves started selling, right? Then they got rich, right? So, number 2, two little elves jumped in through the door, through the window, or through the window pane. From where did they jump in? So, from the window, W-I-N-D-O-W. Number 3, the shoemaker and his wife hid behind a curtain. किसके पीछे छिपे थे? Curtain के पीछे. Soon the shoemaker made a lot of money. क्या मिल गया बहुत सारा उन्हें? Money मिला, पैसा मिला. क्या मिला था? Honey मिला, money मिला. Money, right? Now, next one is question answer. Okay, what did everybody want to, why did everybody want to buy the shoemaker shoes? Because they looked beautiful, right? What did the shoemaker's wife notice about the elves? That the little clothes of the elves were torn, फटे हुए थे, right? Next question. How did the shoemaker and his wife thank the elves? So the shoemaker made a pair of shoes for the elves and his wife made new clothes for them. Next, what happened to the shoemaker and his wife after the elves stopped coming? After the elves stopped coming, the shoemaker and his wife always had a good luck, right? So these are the question answers, and then the make sentence that you have learned, that is through bench, quickly, and curtain. These were the words, and tiny worthy. These are the 4 words that may come to make a sentence. Okay, sentence बनाने के लिए आ सकता है. Okay, so this all you have learned during the revision that I have already given you now. ठीक है? So अब ये रिविजन लिटरेचर का हमने आज रिविजन कर लिया है अच्छे से. अब इसके बाद आपको क्या करना है? आफ्टर द क्लास you will get a worksheet. Okay, you are going to get a worksheet. So आपको उस worksheet को solve करना है कहाँ पर? In your English notebook. Okay, and then you can check the answers after writing down the answer on your own. If you don't know the answer, learn it, then write it. And after writing down the answers, you can get it checked through the answer key that I will be providing you. ठीक है? Answer key मैं दूंगी, उससे आप answer check कर सकते हैं कि आपने कितना सही किया, कितना wrong किया, and then you can learn them. Okay? So that's it for today. We will meet soon. Take care of yourself. Bye everyone.